Today we're going to look at the passive causative form. In the previous lesson we looked at the causative form, and today we'll look at the passive causative form. 今日は刺激の受け身の形の勉強します。以前のクラスでは刺激の形の勉強をしました。今日はその続きを勉強します。In the previous class, we looked at the causative form, and we know that there are only three verbs, have, let, and make, that we can use in this form. This form is subject plus have, let, make, plus object, and then the base verb, not an infinitive as we would usually use, base verb. So, for example, the professor had the students write reports. No infinitive here, we're using the base form on this. We don't add s if this is singular, and this stays in this base form and does not change. で、先週勉強した通りに刺激動詞は have, let と make だけ。この3つの動詞の時だけでこの文章を作ることはできる。で、主語 have, let, make プラス目的語プラス基本の動詞。例えば、The professor had the students write reports. で、この文章で write は原型。基本の形をしてるんですね。不定詞じゃないですね。to plus 基本じゃなくて基本だけです。Looking at the passive causative. With the passive causative, we can only use this with two verbs, have and get. The causative we could use have, let, and make. So three possibilities. But the passive causative, we can only use two, have and get only. The form for the passive causative is subject plus have or get plus object, which is a thing in this case. In the causative sentence, the object was a person. This is a thing. Plus past participle. Previously it was a base verb, but we're using a past participle. And by someone. So, for example, I had my car repaired by the dealer. Is an example of a passive causative sentence. So, 受け身の刺激動詞は2つだけです。have と get だけです。刺激動詞の形は3つ。have, let と make。受け身の方は have と get だけです。で、形は主語 have か get。目的語。で、目的語のこの時はこれ物。刺激動詞の時は人。これ物。で、その後は過去分詞 plus by 誰かはこの文章の形です。The causative sentence focuses more on the person. Is more of a focus in the sentence. The professor had the students write reports. They're focusing on the students in this case. With the passive causative, I had my car repaired by the dealer. In the passive causative, the car is the focus, not the person who did it. In fact, this part of the sentence is not necessary. And this can be left out. So I had my car repaired is also okay. So the passive causative focuses on the thing. The causative focuses on who. Is the difference between these two sentences, these two forms. 刺激受け身の方はmy car ものが中心。刺激の方は 人が中心という違いです。Here are a couple of exercises to practice. Looking at these 5 sentences, if you believe the sentence is a causative sentence, please put a C. If you believe the sentence is a passive causative, please put a PC next to the numbers. So in the comments below, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you believe number 1 is a passive causative, then please put PC for number 1. After you've done that, please make a passive causative sentence and I'll check that for you. If you like my channel, please subscribe and see you next time.